What's up, everyone? Spidey here. Welcome back to the show. Today, guys, we're gonna sorry. Today we're gonna about to rating EAS alarms. Let's go. I forgot my volume. Sorry, guys. There we go. Yes, much better. Actually, 10 out of 10. My ears are now dead and bleed. Yeah, Antarctica. Antarctica is so loud. Wait, let me pause. 10 out of 10. It hurts my ears when I heard this alarm in Antarctica. Next, Japan. What the hell? What? Nah. Why is this guy talking? Bro, shut up. Bro, why is this guy talking? Missile. It hurts my ears for a little bit when I heard this Japan EAS alarm. Yeah, it hurts my ears, bro. So. What the hell? Oh, this is so scary. 10 out of 10. I think 100 out of 10 because it hurts my ears. Next, Colorado. What? Bro, 9 out of 10. It hurts. When I heard this, I'll freak out. Let's try North Korea. I think, I don't know, 0 out of 10. If North Korea nuking South Korea, I'll freak out. So, next. Not 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I'll do that. But what flags look like this? I've never seen that before. So yeah. 10 out of 10 so scary, just like it sounds like Antarctica. 0 out of 10 looks it sounds like 10 out of 10 sounds like Antarctica. Too loud. Next. Ah! Infinity out of 10. So my ears are too bleedy right now. But it's not bleedy at all. Egypt. What the hell? We're back. I skipped the ad. So let's try Egypt alarm. What the hell? Where's my ears? Why is he talking? No. Why is he talking about that? I don't know. At the start, it sounds like the USA alarm, but at the middle, it looks like the man just talking. At the end, no one. Okay, next, Argentina. Ah, that's pretty cool. Too loud. If Messi hear the alarm, Messi will freak out. I need to drink. I need to get a drink, bro. That's right. Next, Brazil. Ah. Bro, I don't know. Bro, I don't know. 0 out of 10. Next, Australia. What the? Warning? What? That's not what. That's not that spell. It's warning, bro. Man, this is scary. If I heard this Australian alarm, I'll be freaked out. Next, Brunei. Oh, I hate the ad. Okay, Brunei. I don't know. Question mark out of 10. What is this? Rate this Brunei alarm in the comments. Question out of 10. What? Wait, what? Pause. Let me pause. Portugal? Meaning Ronaldo is here. Why Ronaldo was born? 1955 Portugal. Yes. It is alarm. At the start, I found Taco Bell. I hear Taco Bell. Look, bro. I hear Taco Bell sound like this. Dong, dong. Let me continue. Sorry. Oh. I hear the Taco Bell alarm, bro. Next, Bahia EAS alarm. Really, bro? 11 out of 10. If I hear this alarm, the monster is coming. I'll freak out. Zambian EAS alarm. Mock. What? Eight out of 10. What? Wait, let me continue the Zambian alarm. It sounds like it's 8 out of 10. It sounds like the emergency alert. I don't know. I think it takes me so long. Belarus alarm. Flood version. What? I'm back. I'm disturbing these ads, bro. I hate ads. So let's continue. Right. I don't know. 0 out of 10. 0 out of 10. It's a sad, scary, and more. I don't know. Let me drink. God. If I hear this alarm, I will be scary. 100 out of 10. Next. Wait, what? Wait, what? Belarus 2022 version. Oh yeah. Pretty scary. 99 out of 10. It looks like the ambulance mixed with the monster alarm. So okay. What? Bro, is this Chile or Dallas, Texas? I don't know. Next. Oh man, infinity out of 1. Infinity out of 10. So scary. If I hear this, I'll be screaming at the city, bro. Okay. Next, monster with EAS alarm. Bro, it sounds like an Among Us sound. 1 out of 10. Sounds like the Among Us sound that looks like this. Like this. What? I didn't hear that. I didn't hear that sound. What? It sounds like this. Tick, tick. It sounds like the Among Us. The Among Us, right? Yeah, let's go. Next is Washington EAS alarm. It's the capital in the United States.
Anak, huwag mong kalimutan regaluhan si Tito Lito mo at saka si Jomar,
if you
si
if you live
Jemerlyn,
in
si Aling
Washington,
Baby, si Baby Lynn.
oh yeah, you're pretty cool.
Anak?
Washington DC AAS alarm. Infinity 2 out of 10. If I heard this alarm, I'll be freaked out too again. Louisiana EAS alarm 2020 version.
Alert. Alert.
Infinity, 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 100 out of 100. I mean, infinity, 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 9, 100, infinity, 100 out of 10. If I hear this alarm, I'll be freaking out. If I hear this alarm in morning, I'll be freaked out when I heard this alarm. Next is Scotland. Scotland EAS alarm mock. Scotland. Let's go Scotland. Scotland EAS alarm mock version. Bro, what the heck? It sounds like in the Among Us, bro. It looks like this. Boom, ding, 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 ding. Then why is this alarm doing this? It looks like the Among Us, bro. Bro, what? The Among Us version? Bro, never do that. Why is this? Why Scotland EAS alarm looks like the Among Us, bro? What? If I hear this alarm, stop it. So I'm disturbing this my pet dog just holding my feet. And what is he doing? So sorry guys, I need. So Scotland EAS alarm, it sounds like the Among Us. Then this one is kind of scary. Infinity 100 out of 10. Cool, pretty cool. Next, Georgia. Georgia's pretty scary, right? Yeah, it's pretty scary. So yeah, I think 10 out of 10 because it's scary. Georgia, USA. Whoa, what? Wait, what? Are they the same? I skipped that Czechia country ball. Next is USSR EAS alarm. Bro, I need to do that! USSR alarm is Soviet Union, Russia. So let's try. Did I just hear the music, bro? It looks like the do. Oh, bro, I don't know. Huh? Next is Portugal. Ronaldo. Kind of scary. 999 out of 10. Pretty scary, right? Argentina EAS alarm.
Emergencia nacional. Esto no es un simulacro. Esto no es un simulacro. Emergencia nacional. Esto no es un simulacro.
Bro, Messi's right. Bro, Messi is in Argentina, bro. Next is Ukraine. If I hear this alarm when I go to Ukraine, Russia attacks Ukraine. Yeah. Portugal again, Cristiano Ronaldo. When I using my headphones, my ear will gonna be bleeding, bro. So skip. 100 out of 10. Isle of Man. Next is Isle of Man. It hurts my ears if I using the headphones again. It's so loud. Texas done. Next is Pakistan EAS alarm. Pakistan EAS alarm. You made that version. Okay.
Fine. I'll tutor.
Great. Okay. I skipped the ad, so let's go. Pakistan EAS alarm. Too loud. Next is Vatican, smallest country in the world. Let's try that one. Hurts my ears, bro. Bro, there's so many types of EAS alarm. Is Vatican. Yeah. Next is Bangladesh. If I heard this Bangladesh alarm. Oh, wait, I'm green. When I hear this Bangladesh alarm, if I'm waking up for that one, I'll be got scared. My friend is not scared at all. Me, I'm scared. Really. No, I am not scared again. Next is Wales, EAS alarm. EAS alarm? EAS alarm, I'm thinking. So yeah, Wales is the national animal is the dragon. I've never seen that. Wales. Wait, four sirens. Then one starts, two starts, three starts, four starts. I never do that. It's too scary. My friend is scared now. Then next is Zambian again, mock. No, that's done. Rhode Island EAS alarm. That's a freaking ad again. Back and it reset to 0. Rhode Island, let's go. What? At the start I hear Siren Head. And why does it look? Why does so scary, bro? Hope. It sounds like in Siren Head, bro. Next in the United States, 1988 version. Have I heard this? The United States alarm. The tsunami comes. I'll be freaking out. Next is Montserrat done. Next is Romania EAS alarm. 3 left. Okay. Romania. Skip to 0. Did I just hear the gunshot, bro? Nah. 0 out of 10. I heard the gunshot. Next is Tunisia EAS alarm for EAS alarm. 1942 version 2, number 2. TV version. Tunisia, that's right. Bro, is it This just looks like the horror game, bro. When I play, if I hear this horror game, I'll be freaking out, bro. The next is Taiwan alarm. Hey, give me. Next is Taiwan alarm. I think the Tunisia alarm is super infinity out of 10. If I hear this sound, this is not a horror game. This, bro, am I watching the right EAS alarm, bro? This is not the horror movie. This is EAS alarm. Look. Bro, why does the sound look like that? Next is Taiwan. Taiwan EAS alarm. 1944 version. Try that.
I want to give him something special.
Freak! Next, Taiwan. I skipped the ad again. So, Taiwan, let's go. What? At the start, I heard the USA alarm 2024 version. But at the middle, bro, there's no siren head. Let's try that one. Bro, I heard that one. I heard that in my TV. If I heard the Taiwan, this is an earthquake version, bro. Earthquake version. Okay, next, Tongan EAS alarm. I think 100 out of 10. It looks like the earthquake version of Taiwan. Next is Tongan EAS alarm, 2002 version. Let's try to mock. Ah! Oh, freaking my ears, bro. I never try that again, bro. Tongan EAS alarm, 100 out of 10. If I heard this, my ears are gonna be broken. So last one is Armenia EAS alarm 1988 version mock. Let's do this. Wait, I forgot Nguyen EAS alarm, the last one. Let's try that one. Go. That's an ad, bro. I skipped the ad again. So, okay, let's go. Bro, can you please shut up? So, 100 out of 10 is just so good. This is so scary. Next is Nguyen EAS alarm 2004 version, cyclone version. Okay, let's try that one. Wait, pause. I hate cyclone. Typhoons too, yeah. I think 1000 out of 10 is just so scary. Yeah. If I hear this alarm, I'll be waking up next time. So that's it. If your alarm is here, tell me in the comments for what country are you in. These alarms. Wait. Yeah. That's it for the video. If you're in other countries, if you're in other countries, I'll make a part 2 video. That's it.